I'm going to go over how to construct a regular hexagon inscribed inside of a circle. So remember, a hexagon has 6 sides, and a regular just means all of the sides are the same length. So we're going to do this using a compass and a straight edge. As a reminder, a compass is any tool that can draw a circle with a specified or a measured radius. So whether sometimes they look like this, sometimes they look like this, where we've got your needle, so this pointy part, and then your pencil attached, adjust it. I'm going to be using this one. So we have your center, you adjust this blue, and then just rotate it around. So when we're doing this, we're going to have your circle. We want to go and adjust the radius or width of my compass to match the radius of my circle. So I'm going to mark a point on my circle. I'm going to stick the center here, and I want to adjust my compass so that way there's a point through the center here, and then a point that goes through on the circle that goes through here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the point I marked on the circle, and I am going to go and mark around the circle. So I'm going to mark an arc here. At this point right here, do the same thing. Stick the center of my circle there, mark that arc. Stick the center of the circle, mark that point, and stick the center of the circle there, mark that same distance. I'm going to do this till we go all the way around the circle. So go and mark it over here, mark that point, and then do that till we go all the way around the circle. And then I can double check this last one. It should match up where that point goes through the center. So this last one ends up being that same distance. So because we went and measured with the circle, all 6 of these are the exact same distance. So now if I go and connect the dots, go from there to there, here to here, and then do that 6 times. And then one more time. This right here is a regular hexagon. So all 6 of these are the same. And if we were to go and measure, all of these angles are going to also be the same. So we can use a similar method to construct an equilateral triangle that is inscribed in a circle. So when we do this, I'm going to start off by doing the exact same thing we did at the beginning, where I measured this distance using my compass, and then I went and marked around the circle. This time though, instead of connecting every single one of these, I'm going to connect every other dot. So this is just 2 of these arcs, which means, and each of these, we have the 2 arcs, which means if I connect from here to here, connect these points, this dot to this dot is the same distance as this dot to this dot, which is the same distance as these dots right here. And so now this is an equilateral triangle where each of the vertices of the triangle is on this circle right here.